Hello dear friend, today I am going to discuss about the how to manage the anaphylactic shocks. The anaphylactic shocks meanings the allergic reaction of the dog. So few days back I have night duty. We are doing the night duty. That time we have received one patient from the ER, that is the primary patient. So that suddenly we have taken the patient inside the cath lab. Doctor done the angiography. After the angiography, doctor come to know there is blockage in the left side. So doctor is explain the procedure to the patient party. After the explanation, the patient party is willing to do the angioplasty. So when doctor is doing the angiography, that time the BP is 220 by 100, and when the doctor is doing the angioplasty, that time the patient BP is dropped, patient got the hypotension, that time the BP is 40 by 50. So then that time the patient is complaining the breathing difficulty, and the he have some discomfort. So that time we are come to know the patient got the anaphylactic shocks. So how to manage the anaphylactic shocks, that is I am going to discuss about that is the real scenario. Means that time we have given the immediately hydrocod and the Avil. We have given 2-3 dose. Then we are seeing the patient not coming the normal condition. So the patient got the severe high anaphylactic shock. So that time what we have to done, we are suddenly we give the start the NORAD infusion and the adrenaline infusion, and we have given the subcutaneous adrenaline. So after this all those medicine, patient came to the normal condition. So when the patient got the anaphylactic shock, severe anaphylactic shocks, so patient need some time to come to the normal condition. So don't get panic. You have to give the medicine. The first choice medicine is Avil and hydrocod. After giving the Avil hydrocod, patient is not, if the patient is not got the normal condition, we have to give the alternative medicine. We have to give the adrenaline infusion, NORAD infusion, and the subcutaneous adrenaline, and we have given IC means intracoronary adrenaline also. So after that patient got the normal condition. So the patient is very fine. So after that we have shifted to the patient to the cath lab. So that is the all real scenario is happened in my life. So I am explaining to you as a nurse. You should know how to manage the anaphylactic shocks while you are doing the any procedure, any surgery. So you should know.